Guys, I found this rickshaw here, a human powered rickshaw, so we will experience that as well. Doing some photography. This is their living room. The lunch. So I was just telling this man now what a good view of lighthouse. This man is going to drive this rickshaw in Berhampur. I have never sat on this rickshaw. Look at how they drive this rickshaw. I asked him how much he charges for 1 kilometer, and he said that they charge 20 rupees for 1 kilometer. So this is the market in Berhampur, and he's going through the market right now. Now, do you think DC traveler sat in this rickshaw for the sake of sitting in this rickshaw? Then you, my friend, are wrong. I told you earlier that DC traveler will always keep pushing the boundaries, so we are not sitting in this rickshaw to just sit in this rickshaw. Okay, we are going to digest the food that we ate so far. Are you guessing it now? We are going to digest the food by riding the rickshaw. So, भैया एक काम करो, पीछे आ जाओ, मेरे को चलाने दो, मेरे को चलाने दो, मेरे को चलाना है, आप पीछे बैठो। हाँ, मेरे को थोड़ा आगे तक मैं चलाता हूँ, आप बैठो बैठो पीछे बैठो, हम चलाएंगे। Let's see how difficult or easy it is through the streets of Berhampur. This is DC traveler on the streets of Berhampur driving a rickshaw. Oh, where am I going? This is DC traveler on the streets of Berhampur driving a rickshaw. Let's give him some good ride today. Woo! मजा आ रहा है भाई। Wow. Now we will go here. Woo. Oh man. Now there's a slope here, so it's going to be easier. Oh. What an experience. Where else will you get this experience, guys? On that note, you know what to do. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget the bell icon. Oh, one-handed, it's not easy. Man, this is fun. This is fun. Where do we go now? Let's go straight. We will go there now. Where there seems to be less traffic. Although I wouldn't mind challenges right now. As if this is not a challenge itself. Whoa! But I must say, it's going well so far. Now, there are some bumps on the road here. Where am I going? Where am I going? I am changing the lanes automatically, which I don't want to do. भैया सही चला रहा हूँ. हाँ हाँ ठीक है, मैं जा रहा हूँ उस तरफ. Oh, I think because the road is tilted that way, so the moment I leave one hand for vlogging, the handle, the steering handle turns to the right. I almost drove the cycle, the rickshaw, into the gutter there. वहाँ तक बस. I don't want to get too close to the vehicles because the brakes are not very good here. Okay, now let's stop here. Oh, this was a fun ride. बस हो गया भैया, बस हो गया, बस हो गया. इस पर रुकाऊँ कैसे? थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू. मज़ा आया आपको? मज़ा आया कि नहीं आया? आपका नाम क्या है?
काश.
हाँ,
काश. काश.
काश आपका नाम है. मेरा नाम दर्शन है. कितना किलोमीटर हुआ होगा ये? 3 किलोमीटर हुआ होगा. और पीछे ट्रक आ रहा है. ठीक है, आपने बोला 1 किलोमीटर का 20 रुपया, राइट? ठीक है, अच्छा है. आपको बैठना है? चलना है मेरे साथ? चलो. Okay, that was to digest the chicken roll that we had. Did I mention subscribe? I think I did. It was too exciting for me to remember what I talked about while driving that rickshaw. Now we will wait for some more food. I'm not sure whether I should keep this rickshaw ride in the same food vlog. I think I'll put it in a separate vlog. But if you're watching this rickshaw ride vlog, let me give you the context. I'm on a food tour to Berhampur. I had a couple of food items. Then the time right now is 3 o'clock. I've been advised to wait till 5 till the street food market opens up. So I was passing the time. In the meanwhile, I decided to find a way to digest the food that I had so far. And as a result of that, I did that auto rickshaw. Why am I keep saying auto rickshaw? It's not an auto rickshaw. It's the original rickshaw, which is not auto. It is human powered. You only see these rickshaws in some parts of the country, not everywhere. I think in Calcutta there are these rickshaws. In Berhampur you find them. I've never experienced those rickshaws, so whenever we refer to rickshaw, we say auto rickshaw, auto rickshaw, auto rickshaw. So I keep saying auto rickshaw. But this was not an auto rickshaw, this was the original rickshaw. This is how the rickshaws used to be in the olden times. So that was DC Traveler driving through the streets of Berhampur.